Hello friends, in this video I am talking about the most common compressor alarms. Okay, so first is high pressure alarm. High pressure alarm, let's see the cause of high pressure alarm. First is dirty condenser, fault cooling fan, overcharged refrigerant. Okay, let's see the solution of high pressure alarm. Solution of high pressure alarm is first is clean the condenser. Okay, and second is check if the cooling fan is working or not working. Check if the cooling fan is working. Check refrigerant pressure and the release sum if overcharged. If refrigerant pressure is overcharged, you can release the pressure. Okay, let's see the second problem is low pressure alarm in the compressor. Let's see the cause of the low pressure alarm. Cause is refrigerant leakage, second is evaporator blockage, third is faulty expansion valve. Okay, let's see the solution of low pressure alarm. Solution is cause. Let's see the solution is check for the leakage and the refill refrigerant if the refrigerant is low. Okay, and second is clean the evaporator. Okay, let's see the next is inspect and replace the expansion valve if needed. Okay, if not needed, do not replace. Okay, let's see the next and third problem is high temperature alarm in the compressor. Let's see the cause of the high temperature alarm in the compressor. First cause is overloading, second is poor ventilation, third is low oil level. Okay, let's see the solution of this solution of high temperature alarm. First is reduce load, second is ensure proper ventilation around the compressor. Okay, and next is check and top up the compressor oil. Okay, and next is let's see the next alarm is phase failure or the wrong phase sequence. Let's see the main cause of the phase failure or the wrong phase sequence. First is power supply issue or incorrect wiring. Okay, let's see the solution of phase failure or the wrong phase sequence. First is check the voltage and phase sequence. If correct, do correct any wiring issues. Okay, let's see the fifth compressor alarms. Fifth compressor alarm is overload alarm. Let's see the cause of the overload alarm. Cause is motor overload or compressor blockage. Okay, let's see the solution of the overload alarm and motor overload or compressor blockage. First is measure the motor current. Okay, check for the mechanical jamming and the clear it. Okay, let's see the next and sixth problem is oil pressure alarm. Let's see the oil pressure alarm, cause of the oil pressure alarm. First is oil pump failure, clogged oil filter. Okay, let's see the solution of oil pressure alarm or oil pump failure and clogged oil filter. First is inspect the oil pump. Okay, and second is clean or the replace the oil filter if oil filter is clogged. Okay, and clean or replace the oil filter. Okay, let's see the next and seven alarm is sensor failure alarm. Yes, sensor failure alarm. Let's see the cause of the sensor failure alarm. Cause is faulty temperature or pressure sensor. Let's see the solution of sensor failure alarm. Solution is check the sensor wiring and the connections. Okay, do you like this video? Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Second is replace the faulty sensor. Okay, in this channel you can achieve the shorts video in the big knowledge. Okay, thanks for watching this video.